and I must commend them. I must commend our development partners. They have been a very useful resource for us as a government, and we will continue to work with you. In a very special way, I must commend my elder sister, Meg Whitman. That lady is phenomenal. Hata nyinyi mnakubali huyu mama ameongea kuliko sisi wote. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mbona tusimpigie makofi? Simameni tupigie makofi huyu mama. We must. Tumpigie makofi huyu mama and all our development. Thank you very much, Meg. You spoke like the 50 million Kenyans, one person. So thank you very much, and thank you. I'm not saying this to say anything else about the other people. Thank you very much, all our development partners. You have done a phenomenal job. We appreciate, and I speak so from my heart. On behalf of the people of Kenya, we appreciate your partnership. We appreciate your support. We appreciate your goodwill, and you can count on ours. Tafadhali tuketi chini. So asanteni sana ndugu zangu, mimi nawapenda sana. I truly love you guys. Na nawatakia baraka ya Mungu. Hiyo maneno ingine, najua MCS wamesema wanataka kubook appointment ya kuongea na mimi. Mimi niko tayari. Nishamwambia watu yenu ya kwamba unajua kuna maneno ingine tunaongea nyuma ya hema. So hiyo maneno ingine tutaongea juu ya hema. So na mambo ile ingine we will engage. Asanteni sana. God bless you and enjoy your stay. It is now my duty to declare the 10 years of devolution officially launched, and I wish you wonderful deliberations, and I look forward to receiving a report of the great job that you will do in the next 3 days. Asante.